In today's video, we are going to cover how to enter box 12 information on your W-2 in TurboTax. Start by signing in to your TurboTax account and opening the tax return you want to work on. Once your return is open, go to the Federal section. From there, select Wages and Income so you can access the income areas tied to your return. On the Wages and Income page, look for the Job W-2 section. When you find it, click Add/Edit or Revisit. That will take you to the area where TurboTax stores the W-2 forms already entered into your return, or where you can begin adding one if it has not been entered yet. Next, choose the W-2 you want to update. If your form is already listed, select that one to continue editing it. If you have not entered your W-2 yet, add a new form and move into the entry screen for that document. The box 12 details are entered inside the W-2 itself, so make sure you are working on the correct form before moving ahead. Once you are inside the W-2 entry screen, scroll down until you reach the box 12 section. This is the area where TurboTax asks for the letter code and the amount shown in box 12 on your paper or digital W-2. For each box 12 item on your W-2, open the drop-down menu and select the matching code exactly as shown on the form. Common examples include D, DD, W, AA, and BB, but you should enter whatever code appears on your own W-2. After selecting the code, type in the amount that goes with it. Enter the amount exactly as it appears, and make sure each code is paired with the correct number from the form. If your W-2 includes more than one box 12 entry, click Add another box 12 item. Then repeat the same process for each additional code and amount. Continue until every box 12 line from your W-2 has been entered into TurboTax. Pay close attention if two entries are listed close together on the form, since it is easy to place an amount under the wrong code if you move too quickly. After all box 12 items have been entered, review the section carefully for accuracy. Check that each code matches your W-2 and that every amount is typed exactly as shown. When everything looks correct, click Continue. TurboTax will save the W-2 information and move you forward in your tax return. Your Box 12 information is now entered on your W-2 in TurboTax and saved in your tax return.